once, and someday somebody will again. So I'm just going to tell that to anyone who needs to hear that. Yeah, this is Nightingale Lane. It goes like this. Thank you. So I say this is a song about the greatest heartbreak I have ever known. The song is called Nightingale Lane. On a street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and tear stained was a pain that made me cold and numb. After the oceans I cried, I made of steel, just floating down. But when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive so hard, let me go now. I just see the moves out, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to go on, just some I'd like to sing it again. Someone once loved me and someday someone will. I went major. Red flag, I went major. Danny, just where am I? Right. We're gonna go back there. Someone once loved me and someday. But not to me, I'm singing it to you. Someone once loved you and someday someone will love. And I also live for a dramatic ending, and sometimes you need a dramatic ending to just cement the intention. And the intention is for the 44% of us, we're gonna be loved again. The end of the song. Thank you. Could have been cleaner, but it was from the heart.